Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on evolution, which was taken from the November 2017 DBE exam. So let's jump in. Indicate whether each of the statements in column 1 applies to A only, B only, both A and B, or none of the items in column 2. Write A only, B only, both A and B, or none next to the question number in the answer book. So 1.3.1, a feature of chimpanzee skulls: A, prognathism, B, forward position of the foramen magnum. The correct answer is A, prognathism. Prognathism is the protrusion or more forward position of the lower jaw. 1.3.2, similarity between humans and African apes. Is it A, opposable thumb, B, a short and wide pelvis, or both? It's just A, opposable thumb, and the reason for that is because humans have the shorter and broader pelvis, not your African apes. 1.3.3, discovered the fossil called Littlefoot. Is it A, Raymond Dart, or B, Ron Clark? The answer is B, Ron Clark discovered Littlefoot. Raymond Dart discovered the Town Child. And that'll give you your 6 marks. And as you can see, nice, easy marks there. But that's it. Before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. Just a quick shout out to our sponsor. You can find all their details and our details in the description below. Until next time, stay